Hi kids! Today we are going to learn about 3-letter words of unfamily. Un. Let's get started. B, un, bun. R, un, run. Un, sun. Let's practice more words. Un, fun. G, un, gun. Un, none. Yes, repeat the words after me. Bun, fun, none, run, sun, gun. Kids, it's your turn to read. Good job, kids. Good reading. Bye-bye, kids. See you later. Please like, share and subscribe my channel and don't forget to hit the bell icon for the new video alerts. Link to all my phonics videos given below in the description box. Keep watching.